Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class junior 1. My dear student, today is our topics is oral sheet practice. My dear student, today is our lecture number 21 of annual term. So let us start our class. Dear students, oral sheet have already provided to you. So today I take you the class of oral sheet. So the first question is, say in number from 345 to 360, 479 to 490, 351 to 365 and 385 to 400. Dear student, if I ask you a question, say a number from 345 to 360, you can answer me 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350, 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359 and 360. Just like this, if I ask you 379 to 490, you can answer me just like the previous way. Okay. Question number 2. Say the spelling of 341, 393, 384, 455, 499. My dear students, I ask you, please tell me the spelling of 341. You may answer to me 300, T-H-R-E-E, 300, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 300. 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, 1, O-N-E, on. So just like this, you may practice the others number. That means here 341, 393, 384, 455 and 499. I hope you have understood how to read this type of question. Okay. Question number 3. Which number is smaller? That means two number is given. 492 or 400. Between these two number, which one is smaller? 492 or 400. My student, notice here 100 place is same, 400, 400, but tens place here 9, here 0. So we notice 400 is smaller than 492. So you can easily answer me 400 is smaller than 492. Just if I ask you which number is smaller, 492 or 400, you can answer me 400 is smaller than 492. I hope you have understood. Next one is similar, 351 or 335. Which one is smaller? 335 is smaller than 351. 455 or 425. Between these two number, which number is smaller? Here 425 is smaller than 455. I hope you have understood. Next question, question number 4. Just opposite of question number 3. Here we want to find out the greatest number. That means which number is greater, 400 or 399. You may answer this question just 100 place. At first we noticed 100 place, here 4, here 3. So 100 place, so 4 is greater than 3, so must be 400 is greater than 399. Okay, next one, 414 or 444 or 414, which one is greater? So 444 is greater than 414. 322 and 329, between these two number, which number is greater? 329 is greater than 322. I hope you have understood. Question number 5. Say the times table of 3 to 7. My dear student, this type of question I ask you, please say the times table of 5. You may answer me 5 0 0 0, 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45 and 5 10s are 50. So from 3 to 7 you must memorize this for oral sheet, but in your annual examination 5 to 7 in your syllabus. For these reasons, for written examination you memorize 5 to 7, but for oral examination you memorize 3 to 7. I hope you have understood. Question number 6, is 309 even number or odd number? My dear students, in the even number or odd number class, I have told you we notice the last digit. If the last digit is even, then that whole number is even. If the last digit is odd, then the whole number is odd. So 309, we notice the ones place. Ones place is 9. 9 is the odd number. So 309 is odd number. I hope you have understood. Question number 7, 376, last digit is 6. It is even or odd? It is must even. So we can say 376 is even number. I hope you have understood. Question number 8, 5 9s are hot. My dear students, 5 9s are hot, 5 9s are 45. This is the part of times table. Okay, 7 5s are hot, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35. Which number comes before 301? So which is the previous number of 301? Just the previous number of 301 is 300. I hope you have understood. Next, which number comes between 398 and 400? So between these two numbers 399 comes. So read the question, 398, 399 and 400. So 399 is the middle number of 398 and 400. 12, add orally 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 what? My dear students, 17 plus 3. There are 3 fingers, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So if I add 17 with 3, then we get 20. 11 with 4. Notice 11 with 4. That means 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So if I add 11 with 4, then we get 15. Next, 25 plus 4. Now we count from 26. 26, 27, 28 and 29. So if I add 25 with 4, then we get 29. I hope you have understood. Question number 13, subtract orally. That means we do subtraction orally. Here notice 39 minus 30. That means if I subtract 30 from 39, then we get 9. Okay. If I subtract 61 from 66, then I get 5. If I subtract 22 from 28, then I get 6. Okay. Dear student, question number 14. How many tens are there in 42? Notice 2 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. So here we can say that in 42 there are 4 tens. Okay, in 42 there are 4 tens. I hope you have understood. Question number 15. How many years make up one decade? My dear students, in our previous class we have already learned one decade equal to how many years? One decade equal to 10 years. I hope you have understood. Dear student, this is our today's oral sheet. You must memorize this. Okay, if you don't memorize this correctly, then when I ask you to do oral exam, then you can't give me answers. So you must memorize this very carefully and regularly you practice it. I hope you have understood. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.